Hello students, once again welcome back here in our English study channel. Today we are going to start a chapter in which I would tell you about the tense, and tense will be studied in mainly 3 to 4 parts. So this one is the part number first for the tense, and in this part we are going to start about the present simple and present continuous tense. So first of all, I would like to tell you about present simple tense. How can we recognize present simple tense and what are the mainly rules to make any tenses in the simple present tense. So on the first slide we are showing that how can we use the present simple tense. So for anywhere, if we see the sentences, there is about habits, routines, and universal truth, that is known as the simple present tense. Means generally you can say that this tense is used to denote habit, customs, practice, repeated action, permanent activity, general truth, etc. And these ideas are expressed by the adverbs of frequency such as often, seldom, usually, never, occasionally, sometimes, normally, generally, always, frequently, rarely, daily. Means in the simple present tense, adverb of frequency are used. Adverb of frequency are used. In the first example, you can see here, she usually works at home. She usually works at home. Now we are not talking about the rules of simple present tense. Only we are trying to recognize how kinds of the simple present tenses are. Okay. So she usually works at home. Second example, they always walk to school. I never eat meat. Now my dear students, if we will talk about the adverb of frequency, then here usually is the adverb of frequency, and in the second example always is the adverb of frequency, and in the third example never is the adverb of frequency. Let us move on the next slide. In this slide, present continuous tense, I will describe about the present continuous tense and what is the definition of the present continuous tense. Suppose that continuous tense, it is making very clear by its name that continuous means something which is going continuously in the present time. Present continuous means something which is going to continuously in the present times. And in the form of definition, we can say that this tense is normally used for an action in progress that is temporary in nature. And in the present, at the time of speaking, the works happen in the present time at the time of speaking. Suppose that first example I have written here, I am praying I am paying attention to the teacher. I am paying attention to the teacher. Now the worker, subject or doer, I इज स्पीकिंग समथिंग कि मैं देख रहा हूँ, पेइंग कर रहा हूँ, अटेंशन अपने अटेंशन को दे रहा हूँ अपने टीचर की तरफ, वो प्रेजेंट टाइम में बोल रहा है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, आई एम टॉकिंग टू माई क्लासमेट, मैं अपने क्लासमेट के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. सो कंटिन्यूसली ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज क्लासमेट्स. So these are the two examples of present continuous tense. Now students, if we go on the next slide, then I will tell you that what are the basically habitual actions in the simple present tense and what kind of the sentences maybe. So first one is simple present tense habitual action. Okay, habitual action में क्या क्या हो सकता है? I, sorry, not I, Tom goes fishing every week. Now students, here you can see that goes is the main verb. Now in this sentence I will also explain you the rules of simple present tense. Habitual action के लिए जब भी अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर नंबर होता है, सिंगुलर नंबर मीन्स ही सी, जस्ट नोट डाउन, ही सी ईट, नेम ऑफ एनी पर्सन in a single number, that is treated as a singular number subject in the tenses he, she, it and the name. And if he, she, it and the name of any person comes in any sentence, then we use the first form of the main verb, and in the main verb we also add SRES as we have added here in go plus ES, goes. Okay, because Tom is the name of any person, तो ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में होता है. एंड फिशिंग एवरी डे, फिशिंग एवरी डे, यू कांट से दैट फिशिंग इज द मेन वर्ब एंड हैविंग द ING फॉर्म. ओके, दिस वन इज द ऑब्जेक्ट एवरी ईयर, एवरी वीक. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, आई यूजुअली वर्क until 2 PM. Usually work, I. Now students, I have told you that in singular number subject in simple present tense we add SRES, whereas in the plural number subjects like I, you, we, they, we do not use SRES in simple present tense, but we just put in its actual form, as we have put work verb as in its actual form. Okay, I usually, and usually is the adverb of frequency. I usually work until 2 PM. We have not added here S or yes in the main verb because this sentence is having the plural number subject. And third example, my family comes to visit me every year. Comes, now here you can say that comes is the first verb, first form of the verb having SRES. Okay, so this one is the rule of habitual action and simple present tense. Now let us start about the frequency adverbs. These adverbs are commonly used with simple present tense like always, never, usually, rarely, sometimes, often, etc. Now let us move on slide number next, that is about the simple present tense. And in this tense, जैसे हमने पहले में बात किया हैबिचुअल थिंग्स के बारे में, इन द सेम वे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक डिस्कस हियर अबाउट द जनरल और द परमानेंट सिचुएशंस. जैसे माई फैमिली लिव्स फॉर अवे, माई फैमिली लिव्स फॉर अवे, लिव्स, माई फैमिली, वाई लिव्स having the SRES because my family is the singular number subject. Jack does not work on Saturday. This one is the singular does not is the negative sentence of the present tense, simple present tense. And whenever we use the negative sentence of the present tense, we always use do or does as a helping verb with negative words. Okay, means do we use only for the plural number subjects and does is used for the singular number subjects in the simple present tense if the sentences are negative or interrogative. According to that subject we use do or does, but if our sentences are affirmative or simple, then we never use do or does in the simple present tense, but we use SRES in the main verb according to the subject. Okay, so this one is the general permanent situations. Now third, about the facts. What is the facts? That's like the earth is round. This is a fact. The earth is round and water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Earth is round. Here you can see that is used, but this is used for the simple present tense helping verb, as a form of helping verb of simple present tense. Water boils at 100. Boils you can see here that S or ES in the boil, BOIL में boils, BOIL plus S. It has now become boils because water is the singular number subject. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris is also used in the simple present tense, but in continuous tense if we will use is am are, then we will also use ing form of the main verb. But here you can see that no any ing form is described used in this sentence, so that it has now become in the simple present tense. Okay, now let us move on the next tense, next slides, that is the present continuous tense, having the examples. So I have earlier told you that in present continuous tense the things normally used for an action in progress that is temporary in nature in the present at the time of speaking. Okay, so let us see here first example. Where is Tom? Sorry, my first example has started by interrogative sentence question mark. I should show you the but I should show you the first example of the simple and the simple sentences like this. They are doing their homework. Now dear students, in present continuous tense we use the ing form in the main verb. Either our subject is singular number or the plural number, but we always use in present continuous tense ing form in the main verb, as we have used here doing in the main verb do plus ing. जैसे हम लोग सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में एस या ई एस एड करते थे मेन वर्ब में, इन द सेम वे हियर वी विल एड ing form in the main verb. So do has now become doing. Okay, do plus ing, and we are not going to see here whether our subject is singular number or the plural number. And third thing, but very important thing, are is the helping verb here. In this sentence, is am are will be used as a helping verb in the present continuous tense. And this is a very big thing कि आर कहाँ यूज करेंगे, इज कहाँ यूज करेंगे एंड एम कहाँ यूज करेंगे. सो वी कैन यूज आर फॉर द प्लूरल नंबर सब्जेक्ट्स. प्लूरल नंबर सब्जेक्ट्स मीन्स दे, you, we. Okay, means such kinds of the sentence subjects we use are. Whereas is used, is का यूज किया जाता है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट के लिए. इज यूज्ड फॉर द सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट इन द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, एंड सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक ही, सी, इट, नेम ऑफ एनी पर्सन. So temporary situations. Second number, temporary situations. Martha and her husband are traveling around Europe for 2 weeks. Now students, here you can see that are Martha and her husband. Martha और husband, उसका husband, दो लोग मिल गए. So therefore our subject is considered as the plural number subject. So for the plural number subjects in present continuous tense we use helping verb are, and ing form in the main verb we have already used. Are is the helping verb and Maratha and her husband is the subject. So according to the subject we have used are as a helping verb and ing form in the main verb. Maratha and her husband are traveling around Europe for 2 weeks. So this one about the present continuous tense. Now let us move on the next slides. Let us see what is there in the next slide. Yes, now present continuous tense, we often use the present continuous and not simple present. Means not simple present tense when action continues over a period of time. जब हमारा action work action means work means main verb. Okay, whenever we will talk about the action, that will denote our verb in the sentence. Okay, means we often use the present continuous tense not in a simple present tense. Okay, in continuous tense we are talking about the continuous tense when action continues over a period of time. like this week, this semester, this year. For an example, I am working 50 hours this week. I am working 50 hours this week. Second example, she is taking an Italian class in this semester. Next example, this year I am trying to cut back on junk food. So these are the present continuous tense. And in the next slide, we will talk once again some rules. For an example, simple present tense, negative sentence, as generally I have described in the second or third slide. Once again, I am repeating here simple present tense and the negative sentence. Yes. Now, simple present tense and negative sentence. Suppose that any sentence having negation words like no, not, okay, तो be होता है, जो be की जगह पर हम लोग is का यूज करते हैं. We use is in the form of be. Suppose that in our practice book, whenever any verb is given in the bracket as be, at that time according to the subject we will use is, okay. So does not is used for the singular number subject. First means singular number subject. Do not is used for the plural number subject in simple present tense, negative sentence. And after does and do, we have also used here not, okay. Do not and does not. An apostrophe T means not. Here also an apostrophe T means not. And does not and do not. सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब का जो हम रखते हैं वो सिंपल फॉर्म का यूज़ करेंगे जब निगेटिव सेंटेंस हो जाएगा. तो इसका मतलब जैसे हम लोग अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस में वर्ब के फॉर्म में ए से ई एस एड करते थे, कनेक्ट करते थे. हियर इन द सिंपल सेंटेंस वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कनेक्ट आर एड एनी एस और ई एस फॉर्म इन द सिंपल वर्ब, ओके. सो सिंपल वर्ब, सपोज दैट अगर गो है तो गो ही रहेगा, अगर नेगेटिव है तो बस यहाँ पर डू नॉट एंड डज नॉट लग जाएगा. अगर कम है तो कम ही रहेगा, ये नहीं कि हम कम में एस ऐड करके कम्स बना देंगे. एंड बाय यूजिंग ई एस वी कैन मेक गोज, ये नहीं होगा इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस ऑफ द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, ओके. So this one is the rule for the simple present tense. Now I will show you the some sentences as an example of the simple present tense negative sentence. So let us move on the next slide to see the sentences as an example of simple present negative sentence. So first sentence, Sarah works on Sunday. Sarah works on Sunday. Sarah works on Sunday. Sarah works on Sunday is the, sorry, once again we have come back on the last slide. Yes, Sarah works on Sunday. This one is the simple present tense. Suppose that अगर हम इसी को convert करें, we are asked to change the same sentence. Simple प्रेजेंट टेंस क्या है, अफर्मेटिव को नेगेटिव में चेंज करने को बोल दिया जाए तो बस वर्क्स के जगह पर उसके एक्चुअल फॉर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ब को यूज करेंगे. वर्क की जगह वर्क हो जाएगा. एंड जस्ट आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट वी यूज डज नॉट. वाई? बिकॉज आवर सब्जेक्ट इज द सिंगुलर नंबर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट वी विल यूज डज नॉट. सारा डज नॉट वर्क ऑन संडे. As the same way, second number sentence, they have a big house. There is the singular number subject or plural number subject? Tell me. It is a plural number subject. I have already earlier told you in this video that they, you, we are considered as a plural number subject, whereas she, he, it and the name of any person is considered as the singular number subject. So फॉर द प्लूरल नंबर सब्जेक्ट वी यूज डू नॉट. एज ऊपर हमने किसी नाम के लिए सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट के लिए यूज किया था हेल्पिंग वर्ब नेगेटिव सेंटेंस ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का डू डज नॉट. तो हम लोग यहाँ पर प्लूरल नंबर सब्जेक्ट के लिए यूज करेंगे हेल्पिंग वर्ब डू नॉट. ओके, so they have a big house. Let me take a pencil so that I could explain you. They have a big house. They have a big house. Okay, they have a big house. This is the simple present tense of affirmative sentence. Let us convert it into negative sentence. They do not have a big house. This one is the negative sentence. Third sentence, simple and negative दोनों में देखते हैं simple present tense के. Sam takes classes at night. Sam takes, you can see here takes is the main verb having s or es. Sam is the singular number subject, so therefore takes is the take का एस आर ई एस फॉर्म लिया हुआ है बिकॉज सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट है. सैम टेक्स क्लासेज एट नाइट, सो सैम डज नॉट टेक क्लासेज एट नाइट. फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फ्री टाइम, सॉरी नॉट फ्री टाइम, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फ्री टाइम. सो आई इज ऑल्सो जनरली कंसिडर्ड एज अ प्लूरल नंबर सब्जेक्ट इन द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. सो आई डू नॉट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फ्री टाइम्स, मेरे पास बहुत समय खाली समय नहीं है. ओके, और सिंपल में हम क्या हैं, तो हमारे पास मेरे पास बहुत खाली समय है. सो जनरली वी कैन चेंज बाय यूजिंग डू नॉट एंड डज नॉट एनी simple present tense affirmative sentence into simple present negative sentence. Okay, so this one about the simple present tense and simple negative present tense. And the same way, let us see here what is the next in the slide. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. जैसे हमने सिंपल प्रेजेंट के अफर्मेटिव एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को देखा, इन द सेम वे लेट अस सी हियर negative sentence of the present continuous tense. Okay, for this tense simply add the verb not after the verb be. The verb be means what? The verb be means is, am and are. Never be confused by this word be. be का मतलब be की जगह पर is, am, are का ही यूज होगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पर ये कह रहा है कि for this tense means negative sentence of the present continuous tense we use not on the place of the verb be, as like are. Are is used on the place of be. Okay, so just after the are we will use not. That is the negation word, and it will convert any affirmative sentence into the interrogative sentence. This one is the affirmative and this one is the negative. How can we change any affirmative sentence of present continuous tense into negative? Just by using not on the place of be. Be means is, am, are. Okay, they are not working today. They are working today, affirmative sentence. Now let us change it into negative. They are not working today. Second example, she is taking a math class. She is not taking a math class. Okay, so present continuous tense is now here in negative sentence. And here also you can see I like room. अब हम लोग चेंज करते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट से प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में. ओके, आई लाइक रूम. I like room. This one is the simple present. SP means simple present, and now it has been changed. I am liking room. Present continuous. Okay, means SP to PC. Simple present to present continuous. In the same way, second example, she has a big house. तो she has a, तो यहाँ पर has की जगह पर is लगा देंगे. सॉरी, हैज़ की जगह हैविंग हो जाएगा. दिस वन इज यूज एज अ वर्ब, मेन वर्ब. एंड सी इज हैविंग अ बिग हाउस. थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, आई प्रेफर टू हैव कॉफी. आई एम प्रेफरिंग. नाउ माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस आई इज नाइदर कंसिडर्ड एज अ सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट nor a plural number subject, but it is considered except from singular and plural number subjects, and it always takes as a helping verb am in present continuous tense. Okay, am. So I am preferring to have coffee. I prefer to have coffee, simple present, SP. And I am preferring to have coffee, present continuous, means PC. Okay, present continuous tense. So in this way we have converted simple present to simple present continuous, present simple present affirmative to present simple present negative, simple present continuous to simple present continuous affirmative sentence to simple present continuous negative sentence. Okay, so this one about the present simple present tense and the present continuous tense. Now I am just giving you some practice at the end of this chapter. Not chapter has not been ended here. We have still studied about the tense. So this one is the first part of the tense, and in the next video I will explain you about the next part of the tense. Okay, so this one is for today. So do this practice with your class. Choose the simple present or present continuous tense and discuss why it is correct, and you will write the all 8 sentences and make it correct, and after using these sentences you will show me. Okay, just show me in the group. Now I am thanking you all for your patience hearing me and watching this video. Now dear students, I would also like to request, please like this video and also subscribe this channel, so that coming videos you could see and you can watch, so that you could also do complete your works. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.